Hello everyone, I am Janhavi. Today here I discuss about the streams by using a snowflake. In in before that we want to see about what is stream and what are the types of stream. Stream is an object type that function to track and record changes in a table over a certain period. And there are the two types of streams that mainly standard and append only. Standard stream can track all the DML operations on the object. Append only stream can only track inside the operations. Like setting up the Snowflake account, just open the Google and search for the Snowflake, then click on the Snowflake trial. If you already signed up, then click on the sign in into existing account, then go to the Snowflake homepage and creating the database and schema nav to database section and click on the pop-up will appear, enter a database name. Just we have to enter the name, just create. The database is created and we can commit it. Okay, then click on the head data create database still, then click on the information scheme, go to the public, you have to click the create. In create you have to see the table, you click on the table and go to the standard, then go to the opening worksheets. Here we have to write the code. First we want to create first we want to create a one table. That means I create the employee table, create or replace table employee. I give the employee id int emp name, that means varchar, department number, emp salary, that means int. Just we click on this and we have to run the code. Here we see the table employee successfully created. Then click on the we want to insert the values from the employee. Just go to the insert, you have to insert the values, then click on the run button. We have to see that they are the 5 records are inserted successfully. Then go to the, you want to see how from the you want to see the data, then select asterisk from employee. Here we see that they are the number of records. Then you want to create or a replace of stream from the employee table. Just you have to create or replace stream, standard stream on the employee, then click on this. You have to run. Here we see that successfully created, employee standard stream has successfully created. Then next we want to insert, then we have to go to the insert. Here we see that employee insert only stream successfully created. Then we want to perform the insert operations. Just we have to update the employee. Here we see that now rows are updated. Next, here we see that this this is the insert operation and this is the update operation. Then you have to click the update operation. One data is updated, then we have to see the data, select the hash from employee, then click on it. We have to see that the data is update selected. You want to delete an operation, just you have to delete from hash street where employee id equals to 2. Number of rows deleted. One row is deleted. Just check. Here we see that um, row number 2 employee ID 2 is deleted. Then query the standard stream. Then select hash from employee standard stream. Then click on it. Here we see that employee name, salary is all updated. Then you want to insert. Here we see that number 2 is employee ID 2 is deleted. It is for. Thank you.